Hello guys, today in this video we will talk about how to cancel your repmove subscription. So all official steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started. So first of all, I want to tell you there are only two methods by which you can cancel your subscription. The first one is for Android and the second one is for, you can say, iOS users. Okay, so the first method you can see, this is for Android users. So you need to open your Play Store and you need to click on your profile, and once you click on your profile you need to select like payments and subscriptions, and once you click on payments and subscription you need to click on subscriptions and you need to choose your subscription, which subscription you want to cancel, or you will see your all active subscription on this tab. Okay, and you need to select like your subscription repmove, and once you select you need to select on cancel subscription button at the bottom side, and once you click on cancel subscription you will see there are lots of options available, like you need to provide a reason and then cancel subscription, and that's it, your cancellation is done. Okay, so another method is for, you can say, like for Android you can select iOS user. So iOS user you need to click on your profile icon, and on your, you can select open your settings app on your Apple ID, and once you click on your Apple ID you need to select a subscriptions and you need to select a repmove subscription from the active list. Okay, and in the end you can see you need to click on cancel subscription and confirm the, you can say, like follow the procedure, and you can cancel your subscription very easily by using this method. Okay, so this is the method for which by which you can cancel your repmove subscription. So if you're facing any issue, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video, and bye bye.